Hello loves and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl CheKesha Simms and I am here with a plant tea, not planner, but a plant tea related video. So if you want to see what this video is about and what a plant tea is all about, keep watching. So before we begin, I do want to welcome back all of my subscribers. Thank you for coming back and checking out this week's video. If this is your first time to my channel, make sure you stop what you're doing. Drop me a purple heart in the comments box so that I know that you are new. That way I can properly greet you. And as well, click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you will never miss any of my videos. All right, so let's get into some housekeeping first. So probably beginning of the year or sometime last year, I told you guys that I was going to start bringing some different content. It wasn't going to all be planner related. I know I started this channel as a planner channel, but just like life happens and we grow and we evolve, just like plants, you drop a seed and it comes up and it starts flourishing, and the leaves don't all look the same. Some of them are different. So that's how my channel is. It has the same foundational seed to produce things that help it inspire you and show you some different things that you may not have known about. Just like each leaf comes out differently, I want to be able to provide you different things that has to do with my life. And as you can kind of tell with my channel art and things like that, I want to be able to show you guys the things that I plan about every day in my planner. And one of those things is my new plant life. So let's go ahead and get into what this video is really about. All right, so I am a new plant mom. I'm also a part of the plant tea community. And basically that's just a little cute name for people that love pet plants. So I ran across this amazing Instagram channel, well, page rather, and y'all know me. Just like I am with stickers and planners and washi and pins, I am becoming the same when it comes to all things plant related. So I want to share this quick unboxing with you. I got this from Botanist B. She is on Instagram, and so let's go ahead and get this open. Right, so we have a couple of things over here, and I did kind of open this up, but I didn't look fully at it. But she includes this card, and it has my name on the envelope. Let's see what this card is all about. Ooh, cute, and it has nice little floral lemon plant kind of things going on. So it says, CheKesha, thank you so much for your support. I hope you enjoy all your new items. Please be sure to hand wash your mug only, Brit. All right, so let's get into the t-shirt first. So I am a graphics tee kind of girl, but I really haven't been anywhere to wear any of my t-shirts. But I figured maybe I can use this shirt when I film some of my I could use this when I film my plant videos. So let's go ahead and get this open and see what it looks like. All right, first and foremost, I love the fact that she has her logo in the inside. That is super cute. So it basically says it's all black. It is the sizes in these shirts, if you are interested in purchasing from her site, they're unisex. So I got a medium. That way I can make sure that I fit it. And even if it's too big, you know how we can zhuzh those shirts up. But anyway, so it says plantaholic is a noun, and it defines you as an individual who can't stop buying plants. Yeah. We can use this as plantaholic, washiholic, penaholic, so many holics. But we have control over ourselves when necessary. But yeah, I love this shirt, and I like that it had it on the side versus centered. So this is a round neck, and it's nice material, nice and thick, so you could really wear this year round. But I love this. This is me. This is so me. All right, so the next thing that I have is a mug, and y'all know how much I love my coffee. And when I saw this, I think a couple of my friends had tagged me in the post of this, and when I went to her site, they weren't available. And you know me, I'm always show love. I'm like, oh my gosh, I love this. I cannot wait until you restock. And she was so nice. She doesn't even know me from I don't know even why we said can of beans, but anyway, she don't know me from nowhere. And she was nice enough to send me a message, let me know that she had a few, that she was restocking. I was like, oh my gosh, that was so sweet. So I went straight and got it. So this is the Plant Junkie mug. It comes in clear and white ceramic. So let's go ahead and get this opened up. All right, so here's the mug. It is in green and it says black Plant Junkie, and I like the fact that it says on both sides. Like, for me, this is a win-win. It's a mug that I can put my coffee or tea when I drink sometime. It has to do with my love for plants, and it's on both sides. Like, I struggle, especially like being a content creator when you're filming. You want to be able to, you know, take pictures with you drinking your coffee, but sometimes on the wrong side, and I'm right-handed. So for mugs that has it on the inside, it's like I gotta hold it this way, which is so awkward for me. So I love this. So this is it is actually microwavable and dishwasher safe. Get it together. But because this is a custom made item that she makes, you just want to make sure, because this is like some type of decal or something that she has on here, you can feel that it's a decal. If you put in the dishwasher, it's gonna peel off. So I'm really glad that she added that note, because I would throw that joint in the dishwasher and be like, oh no. So yeah, I'm glad she added that note. So make sure you go support her shop. All right, you guys, so here is my super quick unboxing that I think I made a little bit longer just by running my mouth. But anyway, this is from Botanist B. I hope I'm not jacking up the name of the shop. Y'all know I jack a name up, so please don't come for me in the comments, okay? If you've been following me for a while, that's just what I do. But I am very apologetic. I really am. But anyway, so this is from her shop. I will leave a link in the description box where you can go shop. She has a lot of other shirts in there as well. I will also leave her IG information, so if you are a plant mom or a plant daddy, you can go check her out. She has some amazing things, and she's a super duper sweetheart. So if you have any questions, and if you want to ask me about this new journey of being a plant mom, drop me a comment below, because I will say there will be a video coming soon, because it's been about a month and it's been life-changing. It's been therapeutic. And even though I don't have any, issues or things that I'm dealing with, just the piece that I've been able to, the additional piece, put it that way, that I've been able to receive by caring for these plants has been so life-changing. So hopefully I will be doing a video about my plant journey so far. If you're interested in more planty related videos, make sure you give me a big old thumbs up. If you're not, you don't have to say anything. But with all that being said, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more of my planty videos, planner videos, lifestyle videos, because this page has evolved about all things dealing with life with CheKesha. So I'm just excited about going on this next chapter with you guys. So anyway, so you won't miss any of my videos, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and let me lean in real quick. Let me lean in. Click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you will never miss any of my videos. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this cup clean so I can drink my first cup of coffee. You might even see this pop up on IG before you actually see the video. So anyway, I love you guys. Thank you for subscribing and watching my latest video. So until next time, loves, peace.